Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. If you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. But today I'm so excited because it is a home decor video. I did do a video about my empty house tour and I did kind of like a kitchen tour, but I have been picking up a bunch of new home decor and just little pieces for the house. Everything for the most part is from either Marshalls, HomeSense, and Winners. If you are Canadian, you will know HomeSense and Winners. HomeSense is essentially, I believe, like the equivalent of Home Goods that you would find in the United States, and Winners is exactly like a Marshalls, but now in Canada we do also have Marshalls, which is pretty much carrying the same things as Winners does. So I go back and forth between Marshalls and Winners all the time. Shop there honestly way too much. It's a little bit of a problem, not gonna lie. Totally let me know what other home decor or home videos you want me to film. I will leave my empty house tour down below and a couple of my other house related videos in the description box for you guys. But with that being said, let's just jump right into the home decor haul. Starting first, I picked up 2 lamps. Oh, I am moving, you guys. The wires are all tangled up. One moment, please. The first thing that I picked up are these 2 lamps. Today is not my day. I almost knocked myself in the face. That would have been cute. But I picked up these 2 lamps from Marshalls, which let me just put one down before I hurt myself. I thought these were really unique and cool. Just is black and it has kind of like this wood head here. You can adjust obviously the heads of it as well. Gotta be very delicate. It is fairly delicate, but it just has this circle bottom over here. Just has the switch, so when you plug it in and turn it on, it's super easy to use. I just think it adds as a little cute accent piece on the nightstand. This matches my room perfectly. I don't have everything I want for my bedroom yet, hence why I didn't really do a room tour yet. But the theme of my bedroom is kind of gonna be neutrals, kind of a little bit of wood accents, and I love the black accents as well. I believe these were $49.99 each or $39.99, one of the two. But honestly, Marshalls, HomeSense, Winners, they're killing the lamp game. There were so many pretty options. I could probably pick 5 million more lamps, but I calmed myself down and just chose these 2 for the bedroom for now. If you need a really pretty lamp, go to your nearest Marshalls, Home Goods, HomeSense, Winners. That's where it's at. My last bedroom, as you guys know, is very girly, but for now, my new bedroom, you know, I want it to be very neutral and work both for myself and Nicholas, and that kind of color scheme is we both love together. So I'm so excited to eventually get all the pieces that I want for the bedroom, and once I do, I will totally share that with you guys. I guess I'm just gonna go in no order. Ooh, I am honestly scared I'm gonna break something. I went to HomeSense not long ago and I picked up actually these 2 vases. You guys say vase or vase? Let me know. But I thought this was really cool. It's kind of like an iridescent look. And I actually put these on my console table in the entrance coming into the house. This is a little bit shorter and this one's a little bit taller, and they were only $10 each. So I thought that was honestly such a good deal. And I've been loving like vases and little decor pieces like this to add onto things like a console table, or you can even add this onto like shelves or something like that, just to give it a little bit more decor. You can even put like little pampas grass or something inside if you'd want, but for now I just have it kind of sitting in the front as decor. This next thing I actually am way too excited about. It's something so small, but I love it. So I ended up picking up from HomeSense as well, this salt and pepper container. And I don't know why, but this reminded me of Crate & Barrel because they have canisters with this exact coloring. And for the 2, it was only $9.99. So I thought that was honestly such a steal. It also came with a black little tray, but I currently don't use that because where I put it, it's a little bit too big for it. But I have it kept for storage just in case I ever want to use it again. I didn't have anything to put my salt and pepper, so when I saw these, I knew I had to get it. Ooh. Another thing I picked up from HomeSense is this cheese board. I use this honestly just to have my kitchen as a tray. Put like my olive oil. This is where I put my salt and pepper, but you can use this as a cheese board, and I see honestly everyone have these in their kitchen. This is what the section looks like all set up. So I just have the salt and pepper containers, my utensil holder, and as well as these olive oil in my vinaigrette container. It's actually super heavy, and I just find find the design matches a lot of what I have. I actually bought one of my tables in my family room from Marshalls. It has kind of the same design. I'll share with you guys that later. Also, brown handle. It's the exact same handle of the salt and pepper. So I just thought everything tied together. And I'm a sucker for a good like board, serving board, cheese board, and they have a ton at like Marshalls, Home Goods, all those kind of stores. One of my favorite pieces that I picked up from Winners is this tray. I also found this at Marshalls as well. They had the exact one. I use this for my coffee table. My coffee table is glass, so this matches perfectly. It just has the glass handles, has the marble design on the inside, and then it has little glass feet here as well. And this is really where I keep like my candle, my remote control, and it just sits right in the center of my coffee table. My coffee table I did get from HomeSense for such a steal. It was only like $250, and I thought that was really great because it's super heavy and really great quality. This is what the tray looks like with everything set up on the coffee table. Like I said, it is a glass coffee table, and it just has the bottom section down here. If you guys are wondering where my rug is from, this one's also from Marshalls, but this is what it looks like on top of the coffee table. This was actually a little bit more pricier than I would have hoped for. It was $34.99, but I couldn't pass it up. It is so stunning. I'm jumping everywhere, but I thought I would mention this first so I could put it back in that tray, but I actually picked this little black metal bowl up. So I finally got a fruit bowl. My other fruit bowl I was using was honestly just a bowl I got from the dollar store, and it was way too small. So I thought this one worked perfectly in my kitchen. So this is where I keep, of course, my bananas and fruit and all that good stuff. And I really loved it. It was only like $14.99 at StruckTube. So I thought I couldn't pass this up when I saw it was a really good, decent size. I just put it right in the middle of my island, and it works perfectly. This next item may be a little bit boring because it is a trash can, but I have never been so excited about a garbage can. I think I am officially an adult. They have these everywhere at Marshalls, Winners, and I thought this was so nice to put in the bathroom downstairs for when guests go. It's like a really nice nude color. They had all different colors, but this really tied in well, and then it has the black accents. And what's cool about it is you just step on this silver pedal, it opens up the trash can. When your guests are going to the washroom, they don't have to see garbage inside. It closes, so it masks it. And also when you open it, there's a handle here. You could just lift this up, and that is where all your garbage goes. Just dump it, and it's just really easy to clean. I honestly wish I bought one for every bathroom because I just love how you can't see the trash, and it's just very sleek and kind of modern. This was actually $29.99. They did have a smaller version, I believe that was $19.99, but I love the bigger one. It just obviously can hold more, and it just comes with a little handle in the back. 10 out of 10 recommend. I just thought, you know, since you have to always have garbage cans, I want to find a cute one. I feel like that one's definitely a cute one. This next piece I actually picked up, I believe, from Marshalls. I thought it was Winners, but I totally forgot I picked this one from Marshalls. It's just a Lazy Susan. As you guys can see, it spins around on the bottom there. And I actually could use this in so many different places, and I was going back and forth, but I've been using this at my coffee bar, which I'll share with you guys how I set it all up, but it just works perfectly. And when I was at Marshalls, I found these little spoons, which are super cool, and these are great for the coffee bar. They're actually coffee spoons, so when I make my frappe, you'll see how I kind of set it up. But oh my god, my feet are going asleep. Today is just not my day. I use this to make my coffee, and what's really cool is it clips, so if you have like ground what is wrong with me? If you guys have ground coffee, you can clip the coffee bags with this. And I also went ahead and picked up these mini spoons. They're kind of like stainless steel, and they're like very dark. They're like black spoons, which I thought was so cute to also have set up at my coffee bar for when we're making coffees and teas. It's just great to have some spoons laid out. This is how I set up the little coffee station. So I just have my coffee grounds. I have the Keurig cups in here, and then espresso pods in here. And then I have my vanilla syrup. I have the extra spoons and my coffee spoons down there. And I just really love love how the setup turned up for now. It's just super easy to see everything laid out. And if you guys are wondering, if you haven't seen my past videos, these 2 jars are from the dollar store, and same with these jars. So super affordable. I'm just in love with the little setup. I still have a lot to do with the coffee bar. Next couple things I'm gonna share are pillows, and I've been picking up pillows from everywhere. Marshalls, HomeSense, Winners, you guys know. For the most part, that's the rest where everything is. I'm gonna share with you where I got these chairs that I'm sitting on after. That's the only thing that's not from Winners or Marshalls. So the first pillow I got is just this one. This one is a more longer rectangular one. I love the design. It has a nice light gray and a bit of white and darker gray into it, and it just matches completely with our new carpet and our couch over on there. And then another pillow I picked up, it's kind of like a cream color. I picked up 2 of these. They were only $29.99 each of the pillows. Last pillows that I picked up are these, the one I'm sitting behind right now. So I got this one, just a typical square pillow. As you can see, I have another one over there. That one was also $29.99, and I just love the colors. It has the cream, it has the black, so it's just tying everything together, and I think it works perfectly with these chairs, as I will share with you guys soon. This is what the pillows look like all set up. Now I'm just going to share with you kind of the bigger pieces. I'm also gonna share this right next to me and a couple pieces that are already hung up that I can't kind of like bring and share with you guys. So this little section are the last few things I picked up recently, and it's my honestly favorite spot right now in the house. It's so comfy and it's just so cute. As you guys know, the pillows I picked up from Winners, they match perfectly with these chairs. If you guys are wondering, I got these chairs from Article, and it's just kind of that material that I've been seeing everywhere, super trendy right now, and they're super comfortable, and I really love how they turned out. They just have the light oak wood feet. And then over on this section is the little side table. I picked this up from Marshalls, and it was such a steal. It was only like $80. I thought that was a really great price. I love the bottom. It's just this black metal, and I thought that really tied together with a lot of my pieces, tied together perfectly with the pillows. And then over here, it's just a really strong marble. It kind of literally matches perfectly as that like cheese board that I showed you guys. And one of my latest pieces I picked up are in this corner, and it's just this faux plant. So starting first with the vase, it's super nice. It has little accents of orange and sparkles, and it's clear, like a clear white, and it's actually made in Italy. It was only $29.99 at HomeSense. And then I picked up these faux plants separately from HomeSense as well, and I believe they were also $30. It reminds me of pampas grass, this thing, and it just looks so cute. Might need to pick more up of those, but they have some amazing vases at HomeSense. Next thing I picked up are these mirrors. So it came in a pack of 3 from Marshalls. It added a little bit of an accent to this white wall. And that is all for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which piece was your favorite, and also let me know what stores you like to shop on for home decor. I'm always looking for more. I still have so much to buy for this house. Thumbs up if you guys liked it. It really helps me out. I will also leave my socials down below and any video I did mention in the description box. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do upload every single week. And on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!